text. Dutch whisper, swoon, whisper.
Did you just have a stroke?
I think so.
Who are you staring at? Huh? Who are you staring at? Yeah? No hands. I'm done. Did you finish?
Yeah.
I'm gonna call wires and get you help. Yeah.
Look at you.
Just
I'm proud of you.
enjoy the aircon, alright? Hello. What were you doing on the road? Huh? What were you doing in the middle of the road? He'll be so dehydrated.
I know. You can give him water.
This is like the 8th animal we've rescued. Actually more on the road. So we've had all sorts, from cats to other dogs and you know what else. Everything. Every animal you can think of, Kate's pulled over and brought them home. Yes, buddy. That's what you're going to be like in the future, yeah? You're going to help all the animals? Yeah, I hope so.
You're a good boy. I know. He's not okay with this.
Another rescue animal, Shady.